Hey everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Sorry I'm messing with my camera real quick. There we go. I am here with friendship mail from two different people. I actually broke my promise to myself of a no spending freeze, but it was Clint, and he had this cool looking thing, so I had to buy it, and then I broke it, but I'm here to share it anyways. So, but he sent me something, friend mail. I think Clint's trying to tell me I need some bling in my life, ladies. Look at that. Woo! I think he says I need some bling or some sparkle. And Clint, thank you for the beautiful bracelet. I love it. Hopefully I can hang on to it because my girl Riley, my youngest granddaughter, has a thing for jewelry. So if she spots that, it might end up on her wrist. Just letting you know. But the item I bought from Clint, I have a thing for crosses. It stems from after my brother passed away and I was given a stone that is called the bloodstone, I believe. I'd have to get it and read the little paper the Native American that gave it to me wrote me the story about the stone that the cross was made of. But I do remember bloodstone. But I have it in a little box with a cross that I had some of my brother's ashes put in. It's in a little trinket box. I don't wear the necklace. To this day, I'm kind of trying to figure out why I bought it, personally. I wish I'd, I guess, maybe did a little urn of my brother, not a cross. Because I feel weird wearing a cross with my brother's ashes in it. So I have a really pretty little trinket box instead. And it's all in there. But back to why you're here. So ever since then, when I see crosses, I have a thing of buying them. And I mean, I got Catholic rosary crosses, But I saw this, and I think it's a Celtic. I think I said that right. So I purchased it from Clint, but I broke it. But I showed my husband, and he's able to fix it. But I wanted to show it. It is gorgeous, guys. I don't know the meaning behind it. Like I said, I don't know if it's even Celtic. You know what I'm talking about. I can't say the word. But it was on this necklace. Gorgeous necklace. And I was doing a video, and I had to stop and start over because I broke it off this little piece right here. So I went on to show Scott, and he's like, I can solder that, baby. So my husband's going to fix it. No fault of Clint. It's all on me. Yeah, I was a bonehead. So that's from Clint. So thank you, Clint. Now, Steffi G. Sneaky Steffi G. We were in a B-Mom's Crafty Corner sale. I want to say on the 7th. And like I said, I've been on a spending freeze, except for my Delusion stamps I wanted. And Bima had a very tempting bundle of tickets. And I use tickets a lot, and I do have tickets. But Steph had Bima send me the pack of tickets. So, I mean, this was such a good deal. Especially I didn't have red. That's what was tempting me. So, I had them out of the package. So I took them out. Matter of fact, I found more of these ones myself that I bought probably, I don't know, 2-3 months ago. I have to put things together when I buy things. So I got, there was this size in here. I just love the size of this. And then you got the dark blue. And you got some light blue ones. Awesome. Then you got yellow. Oh, that's the light blue. Yellow. And then you got some red, which was what really tempted me to buy this, but I held myself together because I didn't have red. And with Christmas coming in, oh yeah. So thank you, Steph. And then white. And look at these cool ones. Look at the size of that comparison. I mean, that's cool. And I'm going to try something. I thought of this when I was looking at them when they came. Is I'm just going to take 2 white, and I'm going to see if I can actually dye these Christmas green. So then I have red and green for Christmas. Because that's what was tempting me with the red. I'd have bought this pack just for the red tickets. And then I thought, man, Tina, you're a bonehead. You should have just reached out to Bima after the sale. I thought about it after and saw if I could just got red from her. But, so thank you, Steffi G. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, I'm going to be doing something with some tickets. Besides trying to dye them. I do use tickets in a lot of my crafts, though, I'll admit. So, I want to thank Steffi G as well as Clint for the friendship mail. Bima for the awesome package deal. Steph for thinking of me. I got a message from her the other day, and I'm like, she goes, I got you something. It should be coming in the mail. And I'm like, what? Can you guess? And I couldn't guess. I was in that moment, like, nope, can't guess. And here it was, the package of tickets. So thank you, Steph. And Bima for having such a good deal on the tickets. I don't even remember, but I don't remember the price, but it was an awesome deal. I do remember that. So please go check out Steffi G's, Clint's Shabby Chic Room, and Bima's Crafty Corner channel. If I remember, I will have them linked in the description box below. If not, just reach out to me, because sometimes I have a tendency to sometimes forget to do that when I say I'm going to do it. But I want to thank each and every one of you for coming in, checking out my video. Clint, thank you again for the bling. I love the bling. Blinging me up, blinging me, making me girly. So, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.